Hey there, parents! Welcome to our guide on baby-proofing your home like a pro. Whether you're a first-time parent or adding another little one to your family, ensuring your home is safe is crucial. Imagine your baby taking their first steps. Exciting, right? But wait, with those first steps come new challenges and potential hazards. Your home is filled with potential dangers lurking around every corner. From sharp edges to electrical outlets, it's a minefield for your curious little one. Today I'm going to share some essential tips to baby-proof your house and keep your little explorer safe. Let's dive in and make your home a fortress of safety. First things first, let's talk about the obvious. Outlets. These are everywhere and at just the right height for tiny fingers. Babies love to explore, and an outlet can be a dangerous attraction. Invest in some outlet covers. They're cheap, easy to install, and can save you a trip to the emergency room. Outlet covers are a must-have. Next up, sharp edges, coffee tables, TV stands, and even your fireplace mantle. These are all hazards. Babies are at the perfect height to bump into these sharp edges. Grab some corner and edge bumpers to cushion those sharp points. These bumpers can prevent serious injuries from accidental falls or bumps. Your baby's head will thank you. These bumpers are easy to install and can make a big difference in preventing injuries. Now let's move to the kitchen. This room is a treasure trove of dangers, from sharp utensils to cleaning supplies. Knives, cleaning supplies, and hot surfaces are just a few of the hazards. Install cabinet locks to keep those cleaning supplies and sharp utensils out of reach. These locks are essential for keeping dangerous items away from curious hands. And don't forget about the stove. Hot surfaces and boiling pots are a recipe for disaster. A stove guard can prevent little hands from reaching up and getting burned. This simple device can make a huge difference in kitchen safety. Speaking of burns, let's head to the bathroom. This room can be a slippery danger zone. Use non-slip mats in the tub to prevent falls. Keep toiletries and medications locked away. These items can be harmful if ingested or mishandled. And always keep the toilet lid down and secured with a lock. Toilets pose a drowning hazard for small children. Trust me, nobody wants a toilet diving incident. A toilet lock is a simple yet effective way to prevent this. Now let's talk about baby gates. These are essential for keeping your baby away from dangerous areas. Stairs are a big no-no for crawling babies. A fall down the stairs can result in serious injuries. Install baby gates at the top and bottom of staircases. These gates provide a barrier that prevents your baby from accessing the stairs. And make sure they're securely mounted. Pressure-mounted gates can be easily pushed over. Opt for hardware-mounted gates for added security. Okay, moving on to furniture. Babies love to climb, and unsecured furniture can tip over. Secure heavy furniture like bookshelves and dressers to the wall. This prevents them from tipping over. Use anti-tip straps or brackets. This is non-negotiable, folks. These devices are easy to install and can prevent serious accidents. And how about those doors? Little fingers can get pinched in door hinges. This can be extremely painful and cause serious injury. Door pinch guards are a simple solution to prevent painful accidents. These guards are easy to install and can save your baby from a lot of pain. Finally, don't forget about the windows. Windows can be a fall hazard if not properly secured. Install window guards or safety nets to prevent falls. These devices provide a barrier that keeps your baby safe. And make sure cords from blinds are out of reach or use cordless window coverings. Blind cords can pose a strangulation hazard. There you have it, parents. With these tips, you can turn your home into a baby-safe haven. Remember, baby-proofing is an ongoing process as your child grows and becomes more mobile. No matter how well you baby-proof, supervision is key. Always keep an eye on your little one. Keep those little adventurers safe and sound. Your vigilance combined with these safety measures will create a secure environment for your baby to explore. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Parents Journey for more parenting tips. See you next time.